Hey, hi everyone. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create um, a small automation, a small Python script, which is going to connect to your database, gather the details, and it's going to create a very beautiful report in HTML. Okay. And in this entire process, I'm not going to use any tool or something which will, write the script. I will show you very simple uh, chat GPT prompts. Using that, you can simply create a script, put your database detail, and the moment you will run the script, it will connect to your database and it will create a very beautiful report. Okay. So the overall process is like, let me explain you the process first. So in this process, what we are going to do, let me come to my screen. Okay, so in this process, how this process is going to work. First, we will write this script, this particular script using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, we'll use ChatGPT. And uh, once our script is ready, let's suppose our Python script is ready, we will simply put the database details like host name, username, password, and port. This script will connect to my database and it will populate all the data in a beautiful HTML report. And I'm not going to copy paste some of my previous step or something. I'm going to build everything in front of you. Okay. So I'm going to show you step by step process of all these things. Okay. So let's do it. Let's start it. So this is my database server. In this server, already Postgre is running. See here, my Postgre database server is running. See this? So here, if I log in, you can see my database is running. All the things are running here. Before you go ahead and create the script, let's understand few things. Normally, when we install the Postgre, whenever we install the Postgre directly on any environment, initially it is not allowing any remote connection. Mean to say, it will not give you a option to connect to the database directly. Okay. For that purpose, first thing you have to do, you have to configure your Postgre SQL.conf and enable the listening to star, and also come to your pg.hba.conf and allow the remote IP, or you can open it for any IP or any subnet like this. Okay, you can do like that. So you can do this also. This is the prerequisite. Make sure your database is accepting all the connections remotely. Mean to say your database is very well available to accept any connection from any user. So first, in case if you are new to the Postgre, first identify where is your config file, identify where is your HBA file. Okay, and make sure your database is configured in a such a way it is accepting all the connections. See this? Previously, it was this option was commented. I have uncommented it and make this star. Okay, so this is done. Also, in the same way, I have configured the pga.hba.conf. I came to this specific section called IPv4 local connection, and I have just added any IP can connect to my database. Okay. This is the prerequisite I did. Now the important part. Simply go to your browser, open ChatGPT. Okay, I'm using the free one. I'm not using any paid one or something. So you can simply go and write a prompt or think and behave like a experience PostgreSQL DBA and give me a Python script which will connect for don't mind for the spelling mistakes, I'll correct it later. So which will connect to my Postgre database uh, and get the current status of the database like active users, database connection status, most resource most resource consuming activities, activities, current CPU and RAM, and export them into a HTML report, which report we can use and we can send it to our client, customer, or anyone. So simply just give this prompt. It will create a Python script for you. To get your top resource consuming queries, we have to install one extension called pg underscore state underscore statement, which we can do it, right? So before doing that, let's do one thing. So before doing that, just a minute, let's create a folder, report. Let's suppose I'll give it a good name like daily hyphen report. I will go to my daily report and I will simply follow the step which ChatGPT is giving. So before running the Python script, there are some dependency of packages which we have to install. So simply install them. So currently we are getting this error. Nothing to worry about. We can simply give it to ChatGPT, which will fix it for us. So sorry. Uh, Let me go to my I'm in the wrong server. Let me go to my correct server. CD PSQL. Okay, so let me go to the correct user directory, KDIR, daily report, CD daily report. And here I will simply go and install all the packages which is required. So I'll give the password. No problem. I don't have current Postgre password. I can run all these things from root also. So I simply go mkdir daily report cd daily report. I'll install all these packages which I got it from ChatGPT. It might take some time, so just bear with me. It this completely depends on uh, what kind of computer you are in, what kind of resources you are using in your computer. So nothing to worry about. If it is taking little time, just keep it running like that. One more important thing, when we execute anything on Python, we have to create a virtual environment so that it is not interrupting the current database. So let's create a virtual environment. The command is python 3 minus m v environment and v environment. So I have just given name as a v environment. And in this next command, I'm sourcing my v environment binary and activating it. So the moment it will get activated, I'll get the same environment name. So it's like a virtual environment, virtual machine, or a Docker environment where I'm running my scripts. So simply come here, install these binaries. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just go and create your script. This is my script. Initially, you might say some issues like if it is failing, nothing to worry about. It is just a matter of, so vi daily report dot py, just put all the content of your Python script to here, chmod plus give the execution privilege, and just try to run your script and let's see. And before that, uh, let's change the database connection parameters. So localhost postgre, this is correct. I want to connect to my local host only because my database is running in localhost. My database name is Postgre, user is Postgre, the default port of mm, uh, Postgre. In case if your database is running in any other server or IP, you just mention that IP. Change it, save it, and just try to go and run your script. Okay. So simply run like Python and daily. See this? So it has executed the script and it has created a very beautiful script here in your current directory. Okay. So what we can do, this is currently running in my local machine. So I will copy this report to my temp location. Okay. Or another way, you can simply open this script, copy the content, copy this content, okay, and you come to your mm, come to any of the notepad, save it, save it as daily PostgreSQL hyphen report, okay, dot html. Okay, this is important because we have exported the content in html format. The moment your report is created here, simply go and open with Firefox or any of the browser and you will see this beautiful report. Can you see this? This is a very basic report and it is showing you your current CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk space, your current Postgre version, your Postgre database name, uptime, active connections. Long running queries are not coming because we have not installed the extension pg underscore state underscore statement, which ChatGPT was telling us to install. So we have not installed it. That's why the other details are not coming. Even you can go one step further. Okay. So let's suppose this is a very basic report, right? This is very basic report. Let's suppose tomorrow you want to make it little more modern. You want to add more options. So simply go to your chat GPT and paste your report. And now just mention, please make it more modern looking and add some charts and bar to explain the data explain the data in easy way. So what ChatGPT will do, it will create your Python script. It will add more colors. It will add more charts to your script. And the moment you will run it, it will give you a very, very beautiful script, beautiful report, which you can present in your meetings. You can present it to your, management, or you can schedule it on daily basis, and automatically you can send it to your email ID. Now just tell him that give me full script, because initially it was just giving you a suggestion, right? Because end of the story we need a full line. Okay, so so give me the script. This is the easiest way to get the report done. Okay, in the same way you can create any reports, reports for MySQL, report for Mongo, report for Elasticsearch, report for your AWS RDS instances, anything. It is quite easy, but the only thing is you should understand where you are running, what could be the impact. So impact analysis is very important rather than simply running it. Okay, which might come with little practice and knowledge. So simply copy this, go to your database server and just type daily report underscore new dot py, because it's a new one, right? Simply go and paste it, run it, save it. After saving, in case if any package needs to be updated, we have to do that, or simply run Python 3 daily report. Okay, so this have some issues. Let's fix that. We have not uh, entered the current database details, so let's correct that. I think that password is wrong. Let me let me put the password. Okay, now run the script again. Okay, now see, the script is again your report is generated, but this time this report will be more beautiful with more colors or something, so which we can use. So simply copy the content again. Okay, like this. Come to any of the browser, any of the text editor, save it, save as uh, report2.html, report underscore new dot underscore two, some meaningful name. Save it and let's see how it works. So let's see this. Now it's giving me more beautiful report with some charts and other stuff. And furthermore, what you can do, this is giving me a very basic one right now. We can do more optimization to this report, and we can make it more beautiful. Okay, so this is the way you can generate any report. This is the way you can create any report using Python scripts, and you can simply go and create these kind of beautiful reports, and you can send it to your management. Okay, make sense? If you want, I will save these two scripts in my uh, repository, and I'll send it to you. Okay, I hope you liked the session. In case if you want to see the similar kind of thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can go to our website also. We share a lot of knowledges in our YouTube channel. We have created a lot of tools where you can utilize these tools according to their use cases. We are also have some kind of courses that we are currently running. Some are free, some are paid. You can just have a look, and I'll connect again with you with the new topic. So today I have just covered this particular topic, connecting to the database using a Python script, and Python script will generate the database health report in HTML format, and you can present this HTML report to anywhere, like, or you can automate it on daily basis. You can do a lot of use cases with this. Okay. Okay, see you. I'll see you in the next session. Until unless, bye, take care.